The increase of COVID-19 cases in the country. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe has announced an extension to the national curfew. The CS stated that the curfew will start from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. across the whole country, lifting the 7 to 5 a.m. curfew in the Lake region.
Political gatherings in the country have received a blow after a directive from the Ministry of Health, CS Mutahi Kagwe, and Director General of Police Hilary Mutyambai, after they announced that personal meetings and gatherings have been suspended countrywide. The directives also say that all government and intergovernmental meetings will also be done virtual or postponed. All forms of physical congregational meetings, they say, should be done under the guidelines of the Interfaith Council. In-person worship is to be limited to a third of the capacity of places of worship, with the congregants maintaining a physical distance of at least 1 meter while indoors. Other measures include all restaurants and eateries should observe the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Health. Employers to allow employees to work from home until further notice. All burials must be held within the 72-hour period.
And in-person meetings of whatever nature are suspended countrywide. In this regard, all governments, including intergovernmental meetings and conferences, and there are several meetings that even the government itself had planned in the coming 30 days. All forms of physical congregational worship in the country, churches, mosques, and temples, be permitted as per the guidance of the Interfaith Council and the interfaith protocols that have been developed, but which in the recent past,
of interment of their loved ones and avoid meetings that could lead to an increase of COVID-19 transmissions. Only 50 people will be allowed to attend the funeral. On matters of education, CS Kagwe announced that schools will not be shut down. The CS maintained that the current data does not reflect increased cases among learners, notwithstanding the morbidity and mortality among children has been low. Inspector General of Police Hilary Mutyambai stated that no political gatherings will be allowed anywhere in the country and ordered his commanders to enforce the law.
And in that regard, I give instructions to all officers of the National Police Service with effect from today that all those protocols to be enforced and measures stepped up. We will take responsibility. Secondly, I'm asking all the members of the public to cooperate with the police. You keep yourself safe, and I promise and assure you that you have no problem with police.
CS Kagwe also announced